Now, utie special prosecutor. Enyasa.
Yeah.
Sanema we yebehu sa till the end say 4 years beba bedu. Corruption charges here and there we. Ade ba ko a meka any a party ni nyina ye kan say. Boni de sabe. Tumi na Ghana for the amount. Sa fa somo. Se osomo na nema bi anko yi a emra na ewo oman mu no. Emra no ne obayedan. Ebedi. We NDC new, we MPP new, we DA new, and a sabe omudi tumi na mawo. Say fire bibi pa. Na bibi anko yi na mra no hu say anyone ko yi a emra no no obayedan. Ebedi. Emfa ho ne party awe dan. Odom. But uhwe NDC for befa to me from the one. What me say ye hawa na ye won say. Nsem na omo kan. Ase me ne wadwuma yi ayeyi. Wa wona make ron because emra you are the OSP. To me no wo de ye na ya hye mra na edi to me na eden. Edi amount. Nti na ya for say special prosecutor. Okay, you are not a journalist. No. Attorney General, the whole mra Ghana nyina no na eden wo dan lawyer kukuda. Ye fu say they would have been doing more of the legal issues than the public engagement na ya omwe den omoye because omutimi betenase no ma say obi din poto no mo kromo nya den omo nchaji ni pa ne Ofori Atta sama ata sama okofa bae edifa SML unu ka ho e na what declare Ofori Atta wanted anamebo it's been part of it we are declaring wanted to the sense that we are invoking international protocols cra a friend say Interpol say sa nipa we ye nchini nya den emfamro man but what your story in the press conference now we ye na enora no we say afi no be den obe charge anam anya sa no kan he's yet to charge Ofori Atta and others. So on what basis now declaring a fugitive of the law? Sanema when they say they want to continuously no I say nkrofo nkrofo omoye criminals omoye way and they always want to engage the media. Say be ya Ghana fo bebre be kase oh sa nkrofo ko we de ana asimasi we de wo yo krofo wa yesei ebia ubedru emra no mu no emra ne ubedi no wan hwe yi a nsam na wo kafa nipa no ho no ebia na nkwankwa eden ankwankwa banesa
but as a member of parliament and a former member now party what power what is some of the charges ni bia ya hodwiro
well ye ni padie you see and I say we shouldn't be doing the PR because never be what here we are there a show but the person is presumed to be innocent until proven and that proving is not done by just an individual but a court of competent jurisdiction will convict the person say when na see nti why you say nti mrani why then we are all with him but when ekobana sa na wan hwe okasa mu yi a ebia ne ohwe mi ana ne otie mi ebia na adwen say ufo abone so are you getting me Ofori Atta SML asemo okay sabe me nti we minim hwe me nim ne ekoso ho me nka omo hu bi e na sabe praduasa se ska bi kura na nema bi kura na nko yi a I don't think that anybody in your party no support any wrongdoing. I don't think so. Nti emra no omuhwe mu no mu se emra ne nema bi a wo ye no anko yie na emra ne obedi a emra ne obedi. But we keep just attorney general ba no abeye press conference no can say e bia na nipa no kra no wonya charge no was say nipa ni din and the court of public opinion no and so ya huge eno no tumi esay kura ansa na beti wasam kura no na was odi ansay. The court of public opinion is so huge. Say, oh, as I see your kronfo. Ebia mran beni bedina ebia obeka so wanya kronfo no. Publicity na oka so your kronfo no nyaaye no. Wanya kronfo no that publicity will not come. By the end of the day na nipa na dey aye den. They was saying it. Enti mimi fo say ye politicians yi die. Ye nipa yi die. Obetena office die. Enye dan ebia na enso bi baye dan. Ebeba one or two people.
So no brother Minister for Government Communications Felix Kwacho Fosu betena ba bi out here. Na se ba ko so kan say wo hwe asem na to ne ye no a e kan ye e wo press conference na sena. And the same charges now to the court. And now krata bi e be court bi ans no e public document. And into no so court say na so ko charges ya prefer against Ofori Atta on sabet me account court because abaye o mamu nyina dia etu ohunu sunsuni a eda se ye de court na asem kro na ye ka ho asem e wa abonten
no ye betimi aka
hwamo
minewo
okay
any other people am running commentary betimi aka
okay
ene otie nti na me ka say otie ne OSP kan na
yeah
o say afi na me ba ba dan abe charge yom nti fa no say wa court ne e na wa charge Ofori Atta ni others say I have charged them with ABCD.
Okay.
It's public knowledge because more reporters were.
Yeah, court.
Court. So reporters never reported. Into officially, ye na asabio ye lawyers lawyers na omo ka ho no. We can begin to feed on some of this. But when anka sa no a es we yes adwuma no. Wonye sa adwuma no. Na wa ba out. Na wa be ka san sem we. So in event say ne wo kan no enya ne sa.
What's the
no, what's the party?
No, they
what's the party?
They say remedies for her.
Oh, but why would you intentionally create a problem and then go for a remedy?
Because
you don't do that.
On one breath, what I say it's good to see a public and so a man for them who the air cost because they are a copy assembly, a copy also there, a public document, assembly. A copy ho, na journalist the bar. No so investigation no e catch answer or the court I mean who we be no crime you get me hold no accountable because so what me akasa pa dia say we OSP ntimo abaken na say nyanko court ye nyina e hu bi ntebe me kura hu say sa ansam na abakan ye no akosi esen na or the call na ye nim na journalist call journalist bye because the audience OSP e carry in a press releases are you know huge since say we kwa free record but at the end of the day you hear asem na nkasa ni so 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 the can be say did you cause corruption and charges here tibia say me wa ba mu say we opposition there we Ghana ni say na ya koso ewo mu atinka be na ya wunya say Ghana wo ha ye wo GRA a jeje eto ema oman wona jeje abansika na yese yemfa contract nkomo obi na ne dia obeye ne se oma ye awerehemu se sika na ye gigie no tas to na ye amanfo twetwe agigie no ye correct na ne kwan so na eno nti no ye twa se sika bia bebe bia mu nchemu se yentua ma no
okay
oh yes sir we fi ase se oh yes adwuma no ye no ye ni friend say mechanism ye nim kwan bia ye fa so ehwe se ade na wo se oye no oye ana no ane se bosomoso ya ni etu bosomoso ya na etu anka ene se ye kofa akire hu se ade no kra papa no so oye ni ehu so fa so ana susanso ana difference bia e wo de na eye mu a so fa ye kotua 1 billion over 1 billion Ghana cedis amano enti se mpanimfo wa ba mu minister of finance GRA commissioner general na mutimi eye nhihye se yentue sika we emma obia eno na yenhwe ne ye na se OSP akaso obekokot no bekokot na de eno mpo de eden a se nyina yete ha obekọ aye behu won konso ebehu na asem na nkasa na de wo mu de di Ghana ye sika sem Omaya eti ha already. E to kra yetu ani na enso ye no. Na obi nso abegura mu se me hwe se to no e banti me yes adwuma no ma wugina meju say na no yegu so etua.
Okay, so when the first time yetimi are we saying say contract de ma SML no wa anyentini ye hu so mfaso anase e fi se na adwuma no se ka eboro so chen se ne or report de ma o man no.
OSP in Shishwemu Ayekura say the contract was needless. Tanka, any idea what say?
When the fact that's opinion
of
OSP.
OSP in Shishwemu.
And the opinion of OSP cannot be a factual statement.
No. Oh, your auditor, investigator. May call me. I've been an auditor before. My audit. My hair, and I have the power to report. And I'm sure me. I'm saying, oh, I did wait here. See, here. Faso mbinya wo anywhere I will cry the Nissan can we cry. Say me all the time because I say we are. That's opinion. That is my opinion. Yes, and I will express my opinion, authoritative opinion. OSP say. Oh yeah, you know why you know. If you know why you know. Say you must have contact with Nissan can.
But what say adwuma na de man no. Oh yeah. Good. Oh yeah na.
What say that contract no Nissan can sign.
It na make us and OSP opinion. Oh see that about obi adwe here. And now obetimi and you so obetimi aka to say contract na eye pa. Also does it make the person right? Good. It na me be say yemi say ampa and no cross GRA ma SML for contract.
Yes.
So we monitor Ghana your revenue your downstream your firm ye twa. And you no cross adwuma na GRA di ma no. Yeah, you the Ghana secretary and can where you say you
good. Say you say monitor your revenue collection, monitor your to your GGR.
Okay.
A day na from the beginning na a day na you dey see for say o monitor you be say o monitor and say o monitor ye. And no say be kura any. There was no mechanism to determine say o monitor and say o monitor. Nti adwuma bi o wa opani wo be kwa akọhwe say ya na say ye nye no. Because you see these things you are doing are electronic based. Because adea no eden na me hu say waye until right from the initiation of the contract no say wo sign the contract when you experience when you exposed inside there no and say these are the friends key indicators me de be hu say waye na say onye ya obewie no so waye aya ahwe awu enti anu bi na o say ye need indicators craft o sign the contract na ntimi am ye hu say ba say o ka say monitor there na be kire say wa monitor so monitor idea ne be we did ya hu we no nyana nti say ya so monitor no an say bosum bia na yetua sika e de amano
your friends Mpensenpensenmu wahu asam bia OSP aka bia no is alleged anameboa
sure
it's an allegation but we the way me nuane running the commentary now
okay
just say wa conclude no okay. And that is the fear as ye bi mo no ye wo
okay
one who say wiase mu ayabai ade ba ko pe ena ye de ko ade ba ko pe enya japade aya nye no wiase mu ha o ade ba ko pe ena ye de ko eno ani din
yeah
ena ade ba ko pe ena sabe obetimi aja no wiase ha eno an sin din ti se wan hwe yie na say odin sai a eno an odi be ko asaman no eno an so na be saka wo asase so.
So Graphic Business reported this story on Mamenche date, you know. Hey, graphics, we don't date here. I think this year, yeah. Okay, so 14th May 2025. And Mamin quoted a portion of their reportage. Say, SML marks 5 years of petroleum downstream innovation for revenue assurance. Me read paragraph 4. I say extant data shows that SML services have increased taxable monthly petroleum volumes from an average of 208 million liters to 450 million liters from May 2020 to December 2024. This translated into 14.1 billion liters in captured excess volume and more than 20 billion Ghana cedis in additional tax revenue. The implication is that GRA can meet its annual target even before the deadline. Whereas prior to SML's operation, GRA struggled to achieve this. It's in the graphic said between May 2020 and December 2024. Na fem wo ya ye di wudwuma wo sa manfo etwa hoto no na ya around be say 208 million liters but SML ebe mu no ye be calculate wo say say bebre fa enkwanchen ti omo budi ni nyina eba eseni emietimi nya 450 million liters femu a amafo so mu twa ho eto ehun ti ka wo ma Ghana etimi nya sika 20.1 billion Ghana cedis from SML operations here or yeah.
Well, sa story we no. Me know you own the value in it. Me amiti hai. Me I won't also see the value in it.
Okay.
In a sense, say it is now that is the reason why some commentaries we no.
Okay.
Me feel say needless because who paint a picture be a black about somebody.
Okay.
For all you know, if you go to court today, omuna will charge you omuna prepare omo dockets.
Yeah.
Also prepare o dockets because sure. Allegations now we no. They are now going to be put together. Now you can't nyina me no bomu a ebi be way asini bi.
Sure.
Ebi way asini bi a ho na judgment be den. Ebeba. Into one way na SML ya o demonize omo no. Omo ko na omo docket no evidence na omo wo no ways beyond who allegations now. Then ombeka say politicians here ya kronfo. Omo kutua. Omo akọ bribe. On say onam ho ma anya no hwe.
Na nso akọ affect court no.
I'm just telling you how we gradually destroy state institutions.
That is
the problem.
Because nyame adma ochina na Adom FM color party eba so e Legon Botanical Gardens. Me pacho ye hia anopa no ndu pepepe samini ejina mu nipa nsia si twa 50 Ghana cedis. Na ne wo edon kra say ye be sa to dame honom. Etuji woni se unim dame pa etwa mesre wada ochina ye hia e Legon Botanical Gardens. Eba sie ya beto aso bedwam nie.